The schematic diagram, it is now, you will see the schematic diagram, and this is the schematic symbol of silicon controlled rectifier. The objective of this tutorial, it is on how to turn on the silicon controlled rectifier. The application of SCR, it is for controlled rectifier, and the limit of the current of the SCR, even more than 100 amperes, he can operate. So the materials required in this tutorial, we have a power supply, two power supply, then we have a switch, we have a rheostat, we have the voltmeter across the anode and cathode, we have analog ammeter to monitor the deflection, how it often or how it operate, and then another switch for the switch coming from the gate, and then another rheostat, and then power supply. This is the current monitor or our ammeter of the gate, and then this is the voltmeter coming from the second power supply. The objective or the principles behind the SCR, it is like the principle of a door. Before you enter to the door, you need to open it. So open the door before you enter. This is the theory behind the SCR. Now we have the 10-volt supply, and then the supply coming from the gate, it is 2 volts. So we will on the switch 1. So as you've noticed, when I on the switch 1, still it is in 0 current. So when I on the switch number 2, it will deflect, meaning the SCR is now in the operation mode. Then when I off the switch, as you've noticed, is still there. It's already open. It's now in operating mode. So that's why the principle, it is the same with the door principle. Open the door before you enter. So like this, after you open already the gate signal, it's already, the SCR, it's already operating. So when we off or on, is still there. So that is the basic operation on how to check or on how to open the silicon controlled rectifier. So in the experiment procedure, so we will turn off first both switch 1 and switch 2. So if you have noticed, the voltage of G, or the voltage across the anode and gate, it's now in 0. And then we are also in 0 with the monitor of ammeter. And then we have also the grid current, it is also in 0. And we will start from 0 voltage coming from the power supply of gate. Now we will turn on both power supply. So take note that power supply 1, we are now in 10 volts. And then power supply 2, it is in 0. So it is in 0. Now our objective, we will turn on the SCR. So switch 1, we will turn on the SCR at 10 volts. So we will fix it to 10 volts. Okay, we are now in 10 volts. Now we will turn on also the switch 2 coming from gate. So there's no deflection there because our voltage coming from gate, it is in 0. So we will open slowly so that you will see how long it will open for the operation of the SCR. The deflection of this ammeter, it is an indication that the SCR is now open for operation and conducting. So I will open slowly. So okay, it was deflected already. The ammeter analog, as you see, so there is a deflection. So it means even I off this is still there. So even I will off this switch, the SCR already conducting. So the reading of the voltage of anode and cathode, it is 0.79 volts. And then the current reading or the current grid or the gate current, it is 0.9 milliampere, and it was triggered by the voltage of 0.5 volts. So this is the procedure on how to check or on how to open the silicon controlled rectifier. Again, take care and keep safe.